tell you the custom of my ear. Replay and make people see. See, did the one see how she fell? The one see when she fell for ground? The one see what she fell on? Okay, let me talk like mumu. Stop saying that. Stop saying that. At this point, I don't want to know what all these doctors they talk. Lemon would play his CCTV footage. He will rewind it backward for the world to see. Let me talk. You can just tell me that fine, it can happen to anybody. I understand. Mental stress, emotional stress, blood pressure, I understand. Low sugar, anything can cause that. Yeah, stress can actually do. But your house gets CCTV. In house get camera now, bro. In house gets cameras. They're not for decoration, eh? Those cameras are not bulb. They are working there. They were fixed there for something, and I can tell you categorically, this is one of the virtual reasons why those cameras was fixed there. To get info like this, to get the truth out of where there seems to be lies. Because I'm not really understanding anymore. Say she did, she felt she opened the Siam. And some people are telling me that her wig was on the floor. In the parlor, her wig was on the floor. I don't know. If I say, bro, you don't really know the gravity of what is at stake. Do you know people that have been calling me from Kaduna, from Abuja, from the States? If I be you, if na Zion I won't go, if na choosing a
Lord of Lemon, you never say anything. Lord of Lemon, don't buy Mary, oh, my people. Can you imagine say Mary dey ground, dey faint. Lord of Lemon, they call his brother. His brother and daughter. Lord of Lemon, your brother and daughter. Why is one say you must provide wetin happen to Mary? He say you must talk how Mary take collapse, how Mary take fall for ground. Now we never know how Mary dey waka. Now we never even know wetin dey happen to Mary. Now Lord of Lemon, oh, Lord of Lemon, don't buy Mary, oh, Lord of Lemon, talk wetin happen to Mary. Talk wetin happen to Mary, oh, because this one don't pass Joromi. This one don't pass Joromi, my people, not be smart, you know. Lord of Lemon, talk wetin happen to Mary, oh, because this matter, not be the way they look am so. Even wise one say no go gree. He say you must talk wetin happen to Mary. You must talk and you must provide them. Because Mary condition now, we don't know how they waka. Because I know if you put that kind of video now for my YouTube, YouTube not go gree. Lord of Lemon, talk wetin happen to Mary, Lord of Lemon. This your own don't pass Joromi, Lord of Lemon. Or Gbora Joromi now, Lord of Lemon. Talk wetin happen to Mary. My mama put the video, make una see my people. Not be smarty wahala. They say it be like bicycle. My mama put the video, make una see.
Replay your CCTV footage, make people see. And they tell you the custom of my ear. Replay and make people see. See, did the one see how she fell? The one see when she fell for ground? The one see what she fell on? Okay, let me talk like mumu. Stop saying that. Stop saying that. At this point, I don't want to know what all these doctors they talk. Lemon would play his CCTV footage. He will rewind it backward for the world to see. Let me talk. You can just tell me that fine, it can happen to anybody. I understand. Mental stress, emotional stress, blood pressure, I understand. Low sugar, anything can cause that. Yeah, stress can actually do. But your house gets CCTV. In house get camera now, bro. In house gets cameras. They're not for decoration, eh? Those cameras are not bulb. They are working there. They were fixed there for something, and I can tell you categorically, this is one of the virtual reasons why those cameras was fixed there. To get info like this, to get the truth out of where there seems to be lies. Because I'm not really understanding anymore. Say she did, she felt she opened the Siam. And some people are telling me that her wig was on the floor. In the parlor, her wig was on the floor. I don't know. If I say, bro, you don't really know the gravity of what is at stake. Do you know people that have been calling me from Kaduna, from Abuja, from the States? If I be you, if na Zion I won't go, if na choosing, they won't go shout, who are you? I'm choosing. Or they're choosing, they don't choose you, or find somewhere. Enter, go, they pray. Maybe small is not your problem now. Posting it online, telling people, I think they help you, they post that one said, make a first catch and first. She's doing you that. Can you make it? Is that your priority now, or to address the word and tell them why it happens? Is that your priority now? I don't want to do you now. You have CCTV in your car. That's the Bamara. Hospital where you carry them go, now hospital where you know. Of course, yeah, if you don't tell the doctor there now to tell me, or to tell any other person there coming that is an emotional stress, is a mental stress, or BP, so that we look at it like, okay, this girl have been thinking, or this girl have been passing through some stress where she is. You claim she just came into your place like 2 days. I don't even know the time when he called your place. You see, now we go take her to another hospital, they should run a very good check, probably autopsy check, they will run a check one on her. Or you, in fact, nothing they talk, we'll take her to another place. If you don't want to pay, I'm leaving, no problem. The problem, if I don't have better, I'll look for it anyway. If you don't want to pay, no problem. But yeah, your CCTV camera, you will replay it backward for the world to see. And if you're innocent, fine, yeah, cool. We'll continue from where we stop. We'll still have an unfinished business, bro. Your CCTV, you will replay and back, let the whole world see the footage, see how it happened, see where she take fall. You didn't buy those things and fix it there for decoration. You didn't put it, they are not flowers. And that's they are not living thing, they are working thing, they are working for something there. People say, no, they are working. Don't give me the class, say, now bring scope, say, you know, work, oh. Not type of say, waiting for your gate, waiting for your camera, waiting, what am I even saying? Waiting for your house, you know the work. Not talking. Not talking. I don't want to hear them. Because I know you very well. What if your thing, you protect her, you protect your life, you protect anything that is even around you, your property, everything. So you get them, I know. It's there. You have it. It has appeared in your videos. You want me, I'll screenshot and show you. You don't dare all of your videos. The world are not blind. The world are not blind. You know if you carry phone now, where she did grand, give Victor's everything that can let the world see. Let the world see. Did the world see how she fell? The world see when she fell for grand? The world see what she fell on? So these people not telling me now. One day can even down I wasn't now. I'm mad at this guy, yo. Lemon makwa. That's very mad because go van. But look at this guy, for those that don't understand Igbo, I'm so sorry. I need to say that to the Igbo. Pray, bro. May nothing happen to this girl. A guy like here. In English, you would not like it. I just pray this your doctors are genuine. I just pray they are genuine. Because if I'm not seeing any improvement, few hours from what am I even saying? In the next 15, 20, 24 hours, if I'm not seeing any improvement, I'm taking her out of that hospital where you put her to another place where they will check it. If you like, tell me, say you don't get money, that one are your freaking bees. Replay your CCTV footage, where people see. And they call you, they tell you the customer over here. Replay and let people see how she fell. Camera, she fell. If she was sitting at the spot of a camera angle, must be there. Sense.